Welcome back to Auto Sandbox. Today, we're delving into a crucial component of your car's charging system, the alternator. If you've ever wondered why your battery keeps dying or your car's electrical systems are acting up, there's a good chance that alternator failure might be the culprit. In this video, we'll explore the signs, causes, and solutions to tackle this pesky problem. Let's get started. 1. Understanding the alternator. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly grasp what the alternator does. Think of it as your car's power generator. When the engine is running, the alternator charges the battery and supplies power to all the electrical components, keeping your car's systems running smoothly. Now, let's dive into the signs of an alternator failure. 2. Signs of alternator failure. A failing alternator can manifest in several ways. Keep an eye out for these warning signs. 1. Dimming lights. Are your headlights and interior lights flickering or dimming, especially at low engine speeds? This is a classic sign of a struggling alternator. 2. Warning light. If the battery warning light on your dashboard illuminates while driving, it's an indication of a potential alternator problem. 3. Weak or dead battery. A failing alternator might not charge the battery properly, leading to a drained or dead battery, even if it's relatively new. 4. Strange noises. A failing alternator can produce unusual noises, like grinding or whining, which might become more noticeable as you rev the engine. 5. Electrical system malfunctions. Your car's electrical components, such as power windows, radio, or AC, might behave erratically due to insufficient power supply. Causes of alternator failure. Now that we can spot the signs, let's uncover the root causes of alternator failure. 1. Worn-out brushes. Alternators have brushes that wear down over time, reducing their ability to maintain proper electrical contact. 2. Faulty voltage regulator. The voltage regulator regulates the alternator's output. If it malfunctions, it can either overcharge or undercharge the battery. 3. Broken belts. The alternator relies on a belt to transfer power from the engine. If this belt breaks or becomes loose, the alternator won't generate enough power. 4. Excessive load. Powering too many electrical accessories simultaneously can put a strain on the alternator, leading to failure. 4. Solutions and maintenance. Now, let's talk about solutions and how to avoid alternator failure. 1. Regular inspection. Regularly inspect the alternator and its components during routine maintenance to catch any issues early. 2. Replace faulty parts. If you notice any signs of alternator trouble, address the problem promptly by replacing worn brushes, belts, or a faulty voltage regulator. 3. Reduce electrical load. Be mindful of the electrical load you put on your alternator. Avoid running multiple high-power accessories simultaneously. 4. Professional help. If you're unsure about diagnosing or fixing the issue yourself, consult a qualified mechanic to perform the necessary repairs. There you have it, folks. Alternator failure may seem intimidating, but being aware of the signs and causes can help you tackle the issue effectively. Always remember, regular maintenance and addressing problems promptly can save you from more significant headaches down the road. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and hit that subscribe button for more automotive insights. Share your experiences with alternator troubles or any questions you may have in the comments below. Drive safe, stay informed, and keep those alternators charging strong.